Alright, I'm just gonna get a little retour here, a retour of the main street railroad crossing here in downtown Bell Buckle, Tennessee. It's very windy. Sorry. Yeah, wind warning. I'm gonna go ahead and give a wind warning because it's very windy. Here's the first signal. There's a relay case for the signal. You can see the relay case is right here. Train! We got a train coming. We got a train coming. Oh wow, this is... I'm gonna get back. I hear it. There it goes. There it is. We got a CSX train going through Bell Buckle. It's starting to rain. I'm getting this tree for cover. It was a slow mover. Let me get back to the tracks a little bit here. There he is. CSX 972 and CSX 9V1. CSX boxcar train heading toward Nashville. Slow moving train heading towards Nashville. We just got here too, not even 2 seconds ago. We just got here. Like I said, I was doing a tour. I'll probably wait until a different day to do a crossing tour. How lucky are we? Really back up to the traffic here in Bell Buckle. How lucky. We didn't catch the train yesterday, but today we catch the train. How lucky. This is a surprise too. My brother decided to take me out in this new car. What a surprise. Yeah, I heard the track sizzling. I was like, train! I can't get too close to the tracks, also I can get in trouble if a cop comes by. I'll be too close to the tracks. I'm trying to stay as far away from the tracks as I can, but how lucky. Also, it's starting to rain a little bit, so I'm trying to stay under this tree for cover. This train's probably gonna stop up there in Fosterville. Hopefully it doesn't stop at the crossing. So I don't feel like waiting out here because it's frigid cold right now. It's in the 40 degrees right now, and it's cold and it's raining. So hopefully it doesn't stop at the crossing so we can go once this train's over with. But yeah, how lucky. This is a long one too. This one of the more longer trains I've catch on my YouTube channel. Cold ass wind. West Fraser. Sorry if you guys can't hear me. I'm trying to talk as loud as possible. The train is pretty loud. That sounds good. There's the end. Ooh. There's the end. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time. Peace.